Hi guys, now I'm here in Gdansk, Poland. Now guys, I will show you some of the beautiful places here in Gdansk. This is the Museum of Bursztynu of Gdansk. So nice. Now, I'm here in the Old Town Hall. This is a city center here in city of Gdansk. Here is the center of Gdansk, Poland. Now, I entering the Golden Gate. This is the Golden Gate. Lots of tourists here today. Poland. We're here now in Poland. So now guys, finally, I'm here inside the Golden Gate. This street they call Beluga Streets, Belugi Targe. So this street is maybe 500 to 600 meters long. So you can walk around 15 to 20 minutes the city center. Lots of shop here, like coffee shops. Also they sell the maps, souvenirs, also postcards. You see this clock tower? This is the Gdansk Town Hall. During the day, this can be a crowded place. Very nice place. Because lots of tourists here. Later, I will climb the 100 steps of the rooftop of St. Marys Cathedral here in Gdansk. Hi, I'm here in St. Mary's Church here in Gdansk, Poland. So now guys, I climb and walk the 400 steps to reach the top of St. Mary's Cathedral, the rooftop. 30 minutes already I walk from first floor to fifth floor. Spend 30 minutes. Still very far. Now, just continue to walk. Very tired, but very challenging guys. But it's all worth it if you reach the top of St. Mary's Cathedral. This church is the highest building here in Gdansk, Poland. That's why I want to try if I can walk. Oh my God. Hi guys! Finally, I'm here already at the top of the St. Mary's Church. Very beautiful here. You see? Very nice view. Also, there's a lot of people here of different nationalities. So they are tourists here in St. Marys Cathedral. Also, they climb 400 steps. Nice view. You see all the beautiful places here in the whole city of Gdansk. See the clock tower, other side the St. Mary's Gate, and the ship museum also. Very nice here, and also very windy. If you visit here in Gdansk, must you try to come and climb here. You see the clock tower, town hall, and the long market. The streets very nice here on top. It's Poland. Now, let's continue to walk and visit the other places here in Gdansk.
Chodźcie wam zrobię zdjęcie, bo my już tu mamy.
Wow, so nice. This is a Neptune fountain. Lot of souvenirs here. Now, I'm here in the long market. They call Dlugi Targ, the shopping center here in Gdansk, to buy souvenirs or some gifts for loved ones. So now, I'm entering the Green Gate and the Green Bridge here in Gdansk. We go to the river in Gdansk. The flyers down there. Now I'm here already in the Green Gate entrance, and this one, the other side, this one is Green Gate Bridge. Here in Gdansk is very colorful, nice place, very colorful house and the buildings here. This side, this one is a maritime museum. This is a Gdansk famous fishing village. very tired. Now we're here in Gdansk, Poland. Now, let's continue to walk again. You see? This is one, the giant Ferris wheel. Also have here in Gdańsk. As you can see, there's a lots of restaurant at the lining of the street here. So now very crowded. Lots of people now this day here in Gdańsk town center. Wow, the giant Ferris wheel. I want to try later. Maybe I want to try. I don't know how much the tickets. I'm going to eat man. I'm hungry. I'm going to eat first. I saw them, they eating. Wow, nice food. I'm so hungry also. Usually, look now. Want to look nice food here. Polish food. Eat. Wow, lots of nice souvenir. Lots of souvenirs here. Gdańsk. Alright. I am ready. Okay. Bye. See you. Bye. Watch my channel. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye. Thanks for watching here in Gdansk, Poland. See you again for my next trip. Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day. God bless.